Hey guys, Michael from Elite Traders University here, and I'm just going through a recap of this week. I'm going to start a series of videos called 10 trades to 1,000 pips. Okay, so this week, as you can see on my platform here, we had 3 trades. These are the deal maps, and we had a 100% success rate this week. So we made 3 trades, and they were all winners, and we're just going to go look at them briefly, then look at the history, and we're going to round up this video. So this was the first trade taken on this is Tuesday, and we caught the bottom there. We wrote it up for 10 pips, and then our last couple of positions were taken out for plus 45, plus 46. Now we also had an amazing trade on Wednesday as well, so the very next day, as you can see here. And you can see that we sold the very top of that, and we took it down for 18 pips for about 7 positions there, and also our last one for 47 pips. So as you can see on both of those trades, we bought the bottom, we sold the top, and there was no valid trade. Well, actually there was a valid trade set up here. However, I was unavailable that evening. I had a previous engagement, so I was unable to trade that night. However, on Friday, I was available to trade, and as you can see, bought the bottom again. We took out a number for 11 pips, I think about 10 or 11 positions, and then the last position up to the pivot for about 40 pips. So as you can see, there's no red on this deal map. Going back, this is Sunday, this is Monday. So we had a 100% success week, and so this video will be the first video of 10 trades to 1,000 pips. And so let's look at our deal map going back to the 25th of October. This is the beginning of the week. So again, no trade on the first day of the week or the second, Sunday, Monday, and then these are the closing pips related to their time, and this was our weekly trading, guys. Okay. Okay, so we had 100% success rate. Those are our pips we can see there, and I'm just going to count them up and see what we have. And because we have 7 more trades to go in the coming 1 or 2 weeks, and we're looking to get 1,000 pips in 10 trades, I think we can do it. So watch the videos, click the button for liking my channel, subscribe, and stay tuned, and hopefully you learn something as we go along. But let's just count these up and see how many we actually have this week. Okay guys, so 672 pips from this week, and that's going through the history. 672 in 3 trades. Okay, so I think we can probably do it by next week. 1,000 points in 2 weeks, 1,000 pips in 2 weeks. So stay in tuned, and we'll see what sort of success we have in the coming week.